How to turn off auto-dubbing on YouTube. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off YouTube's automatic dubbing feature. Whether you're just watching videos or you're a creator who doesn't want your own content dubbed, follow along step by step and you'll have it sorted in no time. All right, let's jump in. First, let's cover how to switch off auto-dubbing when you're watching someone else's video. If you play a video and it starts with a dubbed voice instead of the original language, there's no way to turn off auto-dubs everywhere on YouTube at once, but you can fix it on individual videos. Here's how. Play the video you want to watch. Hover over the video and look for the little gear icon, Settings, at the bottom. Click on Settings, then go to Audio Track. Now just pick the one labeled Original. It'll have Original written next to the language. That's it. Once you select it, the video will play in its original voice and language. Now, let's talk about how to turn off auto-dubbing on your own YouTube channel as a creator. Here's what you need to do. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube. Select YouTube Studio from the menu. In the left sidebar, click Settings. Go to Upload Defaults, then click Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see Automatic Dubbing. Here you have two options. If you want to completely disable dubbing, toggle off Allow Automatic Dubbing. If you want more control, choose Review Dubs in all languages. This way, no dubs go live until you manually approve them. And that's it. Super simple. Now you know how to disable auto-dubbing both while watching videos and on your own channel. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips like this.